How to migrate Thunderbird to Office 365. Manually migrating your Thunderbird mailbox to Office 365 is quite difficult and time-consuming. That's why we are introducing Regain Thunderbird to Office 365 migration tool. You can easily download this software from our official website. Just go to Google and search for Regain Thunderbird to Office 365 migration tool. On Google search, open this website. This is our official website. From here you can buy our software or try out the free trial. To download the free trial of this software, simply click on the free download button. Once the software file is successfully downloaded, right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. In the installation wizard, simply follow a few on-screen prompts, and the software will be successfully installed on your device. You can see it's so simple to install the software. Now let's see how to use this software for migrating Thunderbird to Office 365. This is the dashboard of this software. Here first you will need to import your Thunderbird MBOX files. For that, click on the Add MBOX File Folder button. Select the folder where your MBOX files are saved and click on the OK button, then click on the Next button. As a result, the Thunderbird MBOX files will be successfully imported. Simply click on any of the MBOX folder, and you will get a preview of all the available emails at the top right panel. Now click on any email, and you will get a preview of it at the bottom right panel. Now click on the Cloud Migration option. Here you can see you can migrate to Gmail or G Suite, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail or MSN or Outlook.com, GoDaddy Email, Amazon Workmail, Office 365 or Exchange Server. According to our target, I am selecting the Office 365 option. Here, two login methods are available: basic authentication and multi-factor authentication. In basic authentication, simply select Office 365 as server type, enter your Office 365 username and password. Then click on the Login Now button. For this tutorial, I will use the multi-factor authentication method, which is more advanced and easier. First, click on the Login Now button. Enter your Office 365 email address and click on the Next button. Here, enter the password of your Office 365 account and click on the Sign In button. In this wizard, make sure the Office 365 option is selected. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the migration process will be started, and once it's done, all the data of your Thunderbird MBOX files will be successfully migrated to the Office 365 mailbox. Here you can see this pop-up window says migration has been successful. Besides migration, this software allows you to convert your Thunderbird MBOX files into multiple formats. Simply click on the Export button. Here you have the option to convert your Thunderbird MBOX files into PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, HTML, and PDF format. For tutorial purposes, let's select the PST format. Then click on the Browse button. Select a destination where you want to save the output PST file and click on the OK button. Finally, click on the Convert Now button. As a result, the conversion will be started, and once it's done, the output PST file will be saved on your device.